Have you got an empty 2-litre bottle? Why not upcycle it and turn it into a simple, space-saving planter, just like the ones in Grandad's garden? These are perfect for small spaces, balconies or vertical gardens, and great for teaching your little gardeners how to grow herbs and flowers.
Grandad's Mix and Bakes.
To get started, you will need a plastic bottle. An old Coke or lemonade or water bottle should be perfect. Some lovely messy soil. Kids will love getting their hands dirty. Try and find a small bag of peat-free compost if you can. A small garden trowel. A marker pen. A craft knife or strong scissors. Small plants or herbs. You can pick up really cheap plug plants. These only cost about £3 and you can find them at your local garden centre. Step 1. Clean the bottle, remove any labels and give it a good rinse out. Step 2. Using your marker, draw a rectangular window along one side of the bottle. This will face upwards. Step 3. Carefully cut along the lines. Ask an adult to help with this step. Step 4. Now for the soil. Fill the bottle up 3/4 full with soil. Step 5. Add your plants and gently firm the soil around them so it looks nice and pretty. Step 6. Now hang your planter in a sunny spot. Give it some water and watch your plant grow. If you enjoyed this activity, keep your eyes open for more of Grandad's Makes and Bakes on the Stan and Gran channel.